I am at the Bradshaw residence to do a repair attempt video. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this shingle right here. It's a wind damaged shingle without trying to disturb the shingle above it. I'm gonna start by making sure the shingle that I'm removing isn't adhered to the shingle below it. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure the shingle above it isn't adhered to the one I'm removing. Okay, now I'm gonna remove this wind damaged shingle from the decking. Okay. Got the shingle out. Single layer. I'm gonna put it right back in where it was and fasten it to the decking. Okay, I'm gonna do so using this roofing snake. So I use the roofing snake so I don't have to lift the shingle above it higher than necessary in order to get a decent nail strike. Okay, shingle's back in. So, in the process of this repair attempt, this is the shingle I removed and put back. But take a look at the shingle above it. We got a delaminated tooth here, here, and here. We also have granule loss all the way across this book of shingles. The reason why the delamination is an issue in repairability is this shingle will now come apart into two pieces similar to this damaged shingle underneath it. Also, I would like to point out, look at the mat transfer on the shingle here, deeming this roof irreparable.